Guys, hopefully everyone is fine. In this video we'll be discussing the concept of functions with default values. Now this is a very interesting concept because whenever we are using the concept of functions, we always see function call and we see arguments inside it, and on the basis of that function definition is written. But you see how this actually works. We have, let's say, a function definition as void take, and I'm writing int a, int b, int c is equal to 7. Let's say this is a function definition and I'm taking c out, a plus b plus c, and I'm creating this function, and let's say this is a particular kind of a situation for a function, and you see function call has how many parameters? 2 parameters. And see function definition has how many parameters? 1, 2 and 3. Ideally, I say that if you have 2 parameters in function call, you should have ideally 2 parameters in function definition as well. We are not writing function declaration over here, so we are not writing that. So if I call this function, so 5 should go to a, 7 should go to b, and guys, there is another c, int c is equal to 7. So how does that particular thing pan out? The important point over here is with function with default values is that we can use an additional parameter and give value to it in function definition. We can use that, and still out of 2 parameters, again there will be 3 parameters that will be used instead of 2. There is a particular thing that we need to understand, that if I'm having 5 should go to a, 7 should go to b. So ideally 5 and 7 are being obtained by a and b respectively. There is a third parameter 7 over here. So that value will also be taken into account, and I will have the answer as 5 plus 7 plus 7, and it will display 19 in place of 12. This is the beauty of function with default values. This is a default value 7 which is given, but there are some certain constraints to it. The constraint is that you cannot write it like this, int b is equal to 7 and int c. It won't work out. Why it won't work out? Because ideally the default parameter that you have to use, it has to be on the right side. It will actually give compile time error accordingly. So this is how function with default values work. If you like this video, kindly like, share and subscribe, and kindly share it to maximum audience. Thank you very much.